The CSD embedded conduit inlet system was developed for obtaining optimized gas and water tightness when using slip seal sealing plugs. The system offers optimum ease of installation, prevents any damage to the plugs during insertion, and prevents that the plugs are inserted too deep into the conduit opening. After the inner plating of the formwork has been mounted and fixed, the opening is marked off precisely on the formwork. The inner fixation ring of the CSD conduit inlet system is fastened on the formwork by means of nails or screws. The 5 fixation points guarantee that the inlet will remain in place when the concrete is poured into the formwork. The conduit inlets with an adjustment pipe are placed over the fixation piece. The standard length of the adjustment pipe is 200 mm. The length of the pipe can be adapted to the width of the formwork. The steel armouring is installed as well as the spacer sleeves that have to ensure the right wall or floor thickness. Next, the outer plating of the formwork is provisionally positioned so that the position of the outer CSD fixation piece can be marked off. The formwork element is then removed so that the CSD fixation piece can be affixed with 5 screws or nails. Once the fixation piece is mounted, the formwork is positioned and fixed, and the concrete can be poured into the formwork. After the concrete is hardened, the formwork is removed, and a clean and precisely positioned conduit opening is the result. The CSD embedded pipe inlet system is exactly fitting for the slip seal sealing plugs that are used for the watertight and gas-tight sealing of cable and pipe conduits. The CSD inlet system can be easily adapted to the width of the formwork. Several options are possible. For normal walls, the conduit inlets are installed at both sides with an adjustment pipe in between. In case of limited wall or floor thickness, a conduit inlet at the exposed side with an adjustment pipe that is adapted to length are casted in. For very thick walls or floors, 2 adjustment pipes are fixed to each other using a connector piece. CSD sealing plugs can be installed at both sides of the conduit. In cases where the required tightness is not excessive, a sealing plug can be installed at one side of the conduit. For transits carrying a variety of pipes or cables with different diameters, the CSD slip seal MPP sealing system might be used.